Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and enabling required settings. First, check that your Pioneer touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay or Android Auto and Bluetooth. This matters because the radio negotiates firmware-specific protocols. Plug an OEM USB cable into the radio's designated port. Use the cable that came with the phone when possible, because data pins must be intact. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and make CarPlay or Android Auto available in settings. Once done, keep the phone unlocked and the screen active so pairing begins immediately. Next, you pair and authorize. On the Pioneer screen, open Bluetooth pairing and select your phone when its name appears. This triggers a PIN prompt or confirm code. Verify it matches on both devices and accept. After Bluetooth connects, the head unit typically requests that you enable CarPlay or Android Auto. Grant all requested permissions on the phone so navigation, audio, and messaging flow. If a USB prompt appears on the phone, choose data transfer or CarPlay mode rather than charging only. That ensures full functionality. You finish by validating and troubleshooting. Once the phone is connected, test playing audio, start navigation, and tap app icons on the Pioneer display to confirm control. If audio or CarPlay/Android Auto won't appear, reboot both the phone and the radio, then reconnect with a different high-quality USB cable or try another USB port. This fixes most physical connection issues. Make sure both the Pioneer firmware and your phone's OS are current. If problems persist, delete the pairing on both devices and perform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.